Rockstar Games has released a major update for the Grand Theft Auto Trilogy that brings improved performance across all platforms, including graphics modes that are included with the likes of the PS5 and Xbox Series 10. Generally, the update improves stability, fixes checkpoint issues and collision detection, along with touching up numerous textures and signage. It also addresses errors where achievements weren't earned under specific circumstances. All of the fixes are listed on Rockstar's support site. It's an exhaustive list, with specific update notes listed under each game. These fixes seem minor, but they could make particularly difficult sections within each game a little easier to bear. The collection, which launched in November 2021, arrived rife with bugs. But it seems to be getting closer to the experience that many gamers expected when it was announced.